Hi, I'm John with Window Cleaning Solutions. Today I'm going to bring you on a tour with me and show you exactly what we do when we come out and clean your roof. I'm going to show you some before and after, and then all the preliminary steps in between and all the safety precautions that we take in order to make sure that not only your roof comes out extremely clean, but none of the plants or nothing on your house, the paint is damaged during the cleaning process. You can see from this view the mold, which has started to grow quite aggressively underneath the shade of this tree over here. And so this will be our first section that we want to attack. But really, in order to make sure that this mold stays completely away for as long as possible, we will need to remove the mold from the rest of this roof just to make sure that it is not re-inoculated and it doesn't start to grow again in this area within the next month or two. Now, as you can see, this roof here has got some discoloration in some areas. Basically, it's mold and mildew, specifically back up in that corner. It's also got quite a bit of debris in the gutters. We've actually removed quite a bit of it already, so I'm going to go ahead and start the process off by saying the first step we do is we clean all the debris off of your roof, and then we go ahead and rinse all of that debris out of the gutters, and then the remaining little bit of these pine needles off of the roof. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done and then show you what it looks like once we're finished, ready to start applying our disinfectant chemical to clean the mold off of these shingles. So I just wanted to show you the type of equipment that we use to apply our disinfecting chemicals. A lot of roof cleaning contractors will either use pressure washers, or they'll use very low volume, low pressure electric pumps, which end up taking quite a bit of time to apply the chemical. So we use a higher volume but a low pressure. So you can see here this stream puts out a good amount of flow, but if I put my hand in front of it, it's not going to hurt your roof, it's not going to hurt my hand. And this is what allows us to apply the chemicals very quickly and efficiently, so that we don't allow any drying on the roof, which could cause potential issues. So we always want to keep everything pre-wetted, apply our chemical, wait about 10 minutes, and then go ahead and rinse it off. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the chemical right here, and then wait about 10 minutes, and I'll come back and I'll let you know, and I'll show you exactly what the results look like once I'm done. Here's what the finished roof looks like once it's dried. You can see that all the black stains, the mold, the mildew, all that's been removed. We go ahead and we double rinse all the roofs, both up and down, to make sure that all of our disinfectant is neutralized and everything's ready to go for 1 to 2 years, until the next time we'll need to come out just to make sure that the mold doesn't take hold again. We do live in Florida, so if you want a quote, give us a call, 561-293-3117. We'll come out and give you a full maintenance plan for your property, roof, the walls, the patio, the windows, to make sure that your home is always in tip-top shape. This is John with Window Cleaning Solutions.